AGTEK Tech Tip: Reveal, register, and export. The process of registering the data is used to correct the point cloud elevations based off of a known ground survey or a previous point cloud. This is important to ensure the elevations of the point cloud data matches from flight to flight. Click Register from the guide. The Register window will display. Begin by importing a registration file. The accepted formats are AGTEK ADF and CSV. You can also utilize another point cloud within your project by selecting the Point Cloud Select button. Once you have loaded your registration file or point cloud, the points will be highlighted. Click the plus to add a registration area. You will need to create a boundary around your registration area, and that can be accomplished by selecting the Auto Area button at the bottom of the dialog box or by drawing a boundary manually. Your Compare To file name will be shown as well as the registration area you have selected. To run the registration comparison, select the Calculate button in the dialog. After the site has been localized and registered, click Done. We will next enter a boundary around the desired area to be exported. The guide will change to boundaries. The first step in the process is to define the boundary or limits of your area of interest. Left-click to begin drawing the boundary. Continue around the extents of the site. Points outside the boundary will turn red, excluding them from the exported data. Edit the boundary by selecting the arrow button at the bottom of the screen. Then click and drag the created points as desired. Additional points can be created by clicking on the midpoint between two existing points. And at any time you can click the Undo button at the bottom of the screen to cancel the last action. Right-click to end the boundary. You may also click the checkmark button at the bottom of the screen. At this point, you will be given an opportunity to define any additional boundaries, but these areas must be outside the original boundary. The same boundary tools apply. After the boundaries are complete and in the desired location, right-click or click the double checkmark button to set the region. We may now export the data. Reveal allows you to export your optimized datasets to your local machine or directly to AGTEK Access. Select the data you would like to include, then the location button you wish to save into. Enter a name and click Save. These files may be imported into Gradework for volume analysis.